Pulling onto the front straight at WeatherTech Raceway, Laguna Seca, going flat out at the 2023 Rolex Reunion. I'm driving a 1976 March 761 chassis number 4 driven by Arturo Nazario. Arturo was never very successful in this car, but this is a traditional downforce car powered by a Cosworth DFE. It's a great car to drive in these vintage events, and I brought a lot of my skills that I developed in the Formula Atlantic right into this car. Love this track. It has just been repaved. Cars are fast, and I had a great time in this car. This is my first weekend in the car, and I started off running 132s. I ended the weekend consistently running 124, so about 5 seconds off the leaders. A great improvement for my first weekend out. I'm going to talk you through the gears as I chase down Zach Brown, the team principal from McLaren F1. He had a ton of cars out there. He's a great driver. I think this lap he's starting to lose his tires. I'm approaching the corkscrew, go all the way down to second, and then modulate throttle as I chase him down the hill, dropping into third, finding my apex. Problem with getting more comfortable in the cars is you go faster and faster. You have cars in different spots on the track, and you gotta find your right line. This car is geared well for Laguna. I'm topping out in third here, down to second. Now it's a drag race. Zach's driving a 1980 Williams that was actually a championship car driven by Alan Jones. It's a ground effect car versus my traditional downforce. And all the way down, this is a leap of faith, all the way down to second. Ground effect car's kind of struggling those low speed turns. And he's losing his tires, as you can see. His rear end's getting loose. Through third, I just tap the brake on the gas, let the rear end come out. Fourth, once again, tap the brakes, hit it. And he goes by, I take him, going all the way down to turn 5. Shift down to third and slide up the hill. It was a fun weekend. I started out really in the back end of the pack and worked my way up to 11th in this race, and I was pretty proud of that. Extremely grateful to be able to drive one of these cars. Putting an F1 through the corkscrew, it's always hairy. But good God, look at the people on the other side of the hill. It's a wonderful experience.